We are from Group PBL Year 14. We would like to present about our progress project PBL. Our project title is Geoportal Perkintan Apps Mobile. Our manager project as well project proposer is Mr. Farukidin Darasarandi, and the ID number is PBL Year 14. There are our group members. I am Fadli Aditya Suhairi as a leader, and my teammates are Faradila Zahara, Enayunur Fadila, and Ismar Maria Silitonga. Project description. Geoportal Perkintan is a mobile-based application designed to facilitate the public to access housing and settlement information efficiently. This application supports the planning and development of Batam city area by providing centralized spatial data. This application is developed to support the planning and implementation of government programs in housing and settlements. The main objective of the system is to provide fast and accurate access to spatial information, including housing, settlement, infrastructure, and PSU, or infrastructure, facilities, and utilities data. There are our project outputs, such as mobile-based application, intellectual property rights for HKI, report, branding product, logbook, and manual book. There are our project achievements, such as lesson plan or RPP, system analysis and system overview, use case diagram and use case scenario, activity diagram, class diagram, sequence diagram, ARD, and relational schema, wireframe and mockup, prototype, and front end. This is percentage of projects. 51% of the project is completed and 49% is in progress. System overview. This is system overview of our project, such as user can register, login, manage profile, and etc. Functional and non-functional. We have 11 functional requirements and 4 non-functional requirements. The next presentation will be explained by Isma.
This is the use case diagram of our tool. Next slide. Use case scenario. In the register, admin and user can register an account by entering the required information to create a new account in the system. In the login, allows admin and user to access the application according to the rules and access rights. Next slide. Activity diagram. The following is a sample in activity diagram. Next slide. Sequence diagram. The following is an example of a sequence diagram. Next slide. Class diagram. It describes the static structure of the system and how the classes interact to support system functionality. Next slide. ARD. Used to understand and design the database structure for developing the mobile Geoportal application. The next slide will be explained by Faradila Zahara.
This is relational schema. Next slide. This is wireframe. This slide shows the wireframe, login, homepage, and maps. Next slide. This is mockup, login, export text, and digital maps. Next slide. This is logo. The next presentation will be explained by Naya.
Hi everyone, in this part I'll walk you through the front-end progress. So we've successfully built several main pages for our Geoportal system, including first onboarding page. Okay, this is the first screen user see. It gives them a quick overview of what the system can do, kind of like a guided into, and login and register for user access and account creation. And third is homepage. Okay, this acts as the dashboard where user can navigate to different features. And next is digital maps page. This is our main feature, a map interface where user can view housing location data. And the last is profile page. This where user can view and update their personal info. And all of these pages are interactive and already follow the design we made in a Figma. So it's starting to look and feel like a real application. Okay, next slide. Okay, logbook. We've been documenting everything in a logbook. And I mean everything, it includes our planning phase, system diagram, like use case, VRD, activity diagram, relational schema, wireframe and mockup, and even our current front-end code. At the moment, our total project progress is about 46% on the not fully network. We're getting there. And next slide. Okay, of course, building a project like this is not without its challenge. Some of the issues we faced were first, understanding system diagram. Some of you were not very familiar with things like URD and use case diagram at first, but we'll not have discussion and teamwork. Second is time management. Since we all have different class input, finding time to meet was a bit tricky. And last is lack of reference. It was hard to find exciting map-based system that focus on housing, settlement, and path, especially in Batam. So we had to get creative and explore different solutions. Thankfully for our team communication wheel, so we've been able to overcome this challenge together. And the contribution season will be presented by the contribution in the team.
My name Paderi Jaswairi. My work are lesson plan or RPP, functional and non-functional requirements, use case diagram, use case scenario, activity diagram, class diagram, mock-up, front-end, PBL report, and PPT.
My name is Farah Lazara. My work are lesson plan, functional and non-functional, use case diagram, application logo, mock-up, front-end, PBL report, and PPT.
Okay, my name is Aida Novanila. As you can see, my work are first is lesson plan, and functional and non-functional requirements, system overview, use case diagram, use case scenario, ERD, relational schema, wireframe, mock-up, prototype, and PBL report.
I'm Isma Maria Silitonga. My work are lesson plan, functional and non-functional requirements, use case diagram, sequence diagram, wireframe, mock-up, logbook, and PBL report.
So what next for our team? First is we'll complete our remaining front-end page. Second is start developing the back-end and handling data input. Third is design and build the database. Next is work on branding like poster and other. And last is, of course, finalize all the required documentation. We're committed to making sure the system not only works, but is also clean, user-friendly, and really useful for the community. That's all for me. I give it back to the leader.
Okay, that's all presentation from our group. If we have any mistakes, we apologize. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.